Hi, everybody. This is Aretha in New York City, Ground Zero. I hope you can hear me. The Great Migration proved that there was a problem, but it was in the soil, it was in the society, it was in the South, but not in Black people. For example, Althea Gibson was born in South Carolina on August 25th, 1927, to people who worked as sharecroppers, Daniel and Annabelle Gibson. The family was a part of the Great Migration and went to Harlem, New York City for better opportunities. Early in her life, Gibson loved and played many sports, but struggled with academics. At the age of 12, Gibson won the New York City Women's Paddle Championship, which was a form of tennis. She received coaching from a member of the Police Athletic League, from a member called Buddy Walker. When he could not help her any further, he took her to the Cosmopolitan Tennis Club in Harlem, where she was well supported. There she played in the American Tennis Association, the oldest African American sports organization in the U.S. She was talented and won many championships, such as the New York State Championship 6 times between 1944 through 1950, the American Tennis Association Championship 11 consecutive times. Her talent led her to be mentored by Dr. Herbert Eaton and Dr. Robert Johnson, both in tennis and in her academics. She went on to complete high school and receive a bachelor's degree from Florida A&M University. Gibson was excluded from competing with white players until 1950. She was the first African American player to play in the U.S. Nationals and in Wimbledon. In 1956, Gibson won the French Championship and was the first African American to win Wimbledon. Queen Elizabeth II gave her the rosewater dish to honor her win. At the Wimbledon Ball, she received a trophy from the extra racist Vice President Richard Nixon. Yes, I called him that. New York City, refusing to be outdone, welcomed her back with a parade. She became a tennis teaching pro in 1958. However, in the 1960s, she played golf and became the first Black golfer in the Ladies Professional Golf Association, the LPGA. This was from 1963 to 1977. She paved the way for other Black people in golf. She was married twice, first to William Darban, 1965 to 1975, and Sidney Llewellyn in 1983 to 1988. Some people criticized her for not being vocal about racial discrimination, and her approach was just to keep on doing what she was doing and ignoring the haters. Any way you resist oppression is fine by me. Here are some of the accolades she received. International Tennis Hall of Fame, 1971. The Women's Sports Hall of Fame, 1980. Black Athletes Hall of Fame, 1974. And for me, the highest is 2022 143rd Street in Harlem was renamed Althea Gibson Way, with a life-size statue of the teenager at the end of the block. The people, the Black people, have always been excellent. The soil has been bad. If you're in bad soil, move away, and you will flourish. Thanks for listening.